I was leading APEC configurator project. This is the one of the best project which I did in my career, and I want to remember this project for the long duration. Here I got very like a unique opportunity to working with the college pass out and intern, and the kind of energy they bring into the like a ground. So that helped me to push myself very hard.
I'm very thankful to my wife and son, first of all. So they have been with me in this entire pandemic, and they have supported me for working from home. And I thank my Mopar and Fleet team members, each and every one, for delivering exceptionally during these hard times.
It's a big thanks and a big applause for the whole entire platform team, which has come together and helped us to deliver the 6.5 migration. And a big thanks for the Challenger Pod team also.
Yeah, mainly I would like to thank my family for supporting during these tough times, and also for the team.
Teamwork makes the dream work happen. So looking forward to more great works from the team. So at a time like this, we all need to be there for each other. I want to know that I am here for you anytime.
I would like to take this opportunity to express my gratitude towards the organization and account for taking a good care of our team members during the tough time of a COVID situation. The way the situation has handled was remarkable and felt very personal touched. And I would also like to thank my entire team for contributing and making the team success.
And the spark they have shown with respect to achieving extra has always gathered attention and applause. It truly represents an example of ignited minds which is aligned towards organizational goal, mission and vision.
During this pandemic, everyone has contributed above and beyond their capabilities. Sometimes it took us extraordinary effort to perform even an ordinary task.
I have got a great team where everyone looks after each other and steps in when someone is not available. I myself had a COVID emergency at my home where I could not concentrate and devote enough time, but there were colleagues who stepped in and supported me during my loss. As a special mention, the North America team has always been very supportive, irrespective of any situation, leading to a very healthy environment.
So I would like to a big thank to all my team members who supported me during these tough times, and also I would like to thank Stellantis leadership team.
I have a confession to make. When I joined the content team, I thought the development projects are more challenging as compared to content. However, every project has its own challenge, and the content projects are no exception. So I'm thankful to the brand content team, both India team members and NA team.
I'm really grateful for my my health and my family support during these times. I would like to specially mention the APAC team for their dedication and not giving up in these tough times and thriving up to the challenge. Special mention to the account leadership and mentors for making me feel like a family even while working remotely. So it means a lot to me.
I would like to thank Vicky and Nanan for providing me the right opportunities this year to try out new things that I always wanted to, like the interns project and then the DevOps track of work. I would also like to thank Amar and Avjot and Raghav, all three of them, for collaborating with me so well, and together we were able to bring a lot of change within the DevOps CMM.
And myself personally, all my family members got corona except me and my kids. So, but team was supportive that time, and I'm very happy to happy to stay here, and thanks to all for the support.
The past 1 year has been difficult for all of us. For me, it's given a different perspective to life. It's made me realize what really matters, and what's the real purpose of life.
As everybody mentioned, it's been a pretty tough year for most of us, and I did go through the same phase this year. It was not due to COVID, but I had my health issues where I was not able to focus on the work, and I did took a break of 4 months, which is helping me in terms of my return and coming back recharged.
This year has been a terrific year. We have had a lot of ups and downs in this challenging time, probably the biggest challenge of our lifetime. On the downward side, we had an inexpressible situation where many of our team members got affected directly or indirectly with COVID. But it's really amazing to see how every one of us helped each other and we overcame this crisis as a team. On the other hand, we have had a good growth in our account significantly. I wish 2022 is gonna be much simple and easy for all of us. Thank you.
This is almost 18 months, 18 to 20 months. I joined in this account and I have not seen anyone. I was completely new and I was completely blank. And thank you everyone, the kind of support I was getting to, and to make myself comfortable in this account. That is a great achievement, and this is a great support from leadership and every individual who supported me to do things correctly.
As all of you rightly said, this year was challenging for all of us, but it brought some happiness also in my life. I was blessed with a baby boy at the beginning of the year, but my wife was affected by COVID. Later, we all, including my newborn, went through a COVID journey. But I always believe there will be someone who will be supporting us when we are in trouble. And it became true. My friends, colleagues, family members, everyone has supported me during that time. I express my gratitude to all of them and to all who has taken this pandemic positively. We shall overcome.
Firstly, thanks to the Stellantis team for coming together and doing better than what we did the last year, which was even better than what we did the year before last. This only proves that a close-knit team such as this is not faced by lack of contact. Having said that, I would like to thank the families who have borne this intrusion into their space with the same resilience. I would also like to thank the TNM community for keeping us engaged, connected, and progressing forward. I'd like to thank the organization also, which has been providing a variety of quick fixes to help us navigate this difficult situation that we find ourselves. Thank you everyone, and hoping to see you next year with an even better circumstance. Thank you.
Hello everyone. This year, while it has been tough on all of us, it has also taught us some great lessons in finding happiness in small things and appreciating it. Taking this opportunity, my heartfelt thanks to all the families. We are here because of their unconditional support. I would also like to thank the entire Stellantis team who supported each other and kept moving forward. Last but not the least, I'd like to thank the TNM and the organization for their great support and calling out its people first and clients next. Thank you.
Thank you.